How to record programs on YouTube TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to record your favorite programs on YouTube TV so you never miss an episode. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open the YouTube TV app or visit tv.youtube.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Step 2. Find the show or program. Use the search bar to find the show or program you want to record, or browse through the guide and select a live or upcoming program. Step 3. Add to library, record. Click on the show or program. Press the Add to Library button, usually a plus icon, or Add. This will record the show and save all current and future episodes. Step 4. Manage your recordings. Go to your library tab to see all your recorded shows. From here, you can watch, delete, or manage recordings. Notes: YouTube TV offers unlimited DVR storage for recordings. Recordings are kept for 9 months. You can record multiple shows at the same time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.